Okay guys, on September 22, 2023, now you can see that this is my plant of begonia pond lily, or it is also called as begonia beefsteak. The pure botanical name of this plant is begonia erythrophylla. Its leaves are a little bit round and a little bit waxy and shiny. So now I will try to take two of its cuttings because we want to propagate it from the stem cutting. So now, as its stem is usually very much thick, so we have to cut it out very carefully. So now we will select our stem, and this is our stem. Now we will try to cut it out with our pruner. Okay, now you can see that we have cut out a little piece of stem with around like 3 to 4 leaves. Okay, so this is our first cutting. Now we will take our second cutting, and now we have selected our second cutting with the help of forceps, and now we have cut it down. This is, now you can see that this is our stem cutting. Although the stem cutting is not very big, but still we are hopeful that we will take some roots from this cutting. So now you can see that now these are my two cuttings. Now let me focus the game. So these are my two cuttings, so we have to dry them for at least 48 hours. Why it is so? Because wherever we will cut, there is a wound. So it needs a little bit healing. On September 24, 2023, now we got both of our stem, and now they are healed up. You can see that all of them, or two of them, are totally calloused over. You can see that there isn't any sort of wound. And the leaves are still very good in shape. Now we will take two pots, and these are just our disposable cups that are used for the soft drinks, and we have made around 8 to 10 holes underneath every pot for good draining. Now the second pot also has some good drainage. Now we have taken our media, which consists of 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil. You can see that it is very much sandy media. You can even grow this begonia in pure clay-like soil, but our watering can kill it. So it is not always recommended to grow it in the simple garden soil. There must be at least 50% sand. Now we have a little dirt, and this one is my sponge forceps. Now we will water it out. We will water both of our pots. Now both of them are completely watered. Some more water. These plants used to take roots very easily. Now we will make a little hole so that our rooting, our shoots, our stem cuttings will go into the soil media very easily. So we will just push it a little bit, like this, and it is enough. It is enough for this begonia to take roots. This is okay. Let me fix it out like this. Also this one, and now both must be kept in shade for some days, and then okay, on November 12, 2023, a lot of days has been passed. We can see that we have got a little bit progress on the shooting side, and the leaves also become a little bit okay. It is due to some like hailstorm. They are a little bit torn up, but still it's good. Okay, now we will go and we will see that either we have got some roots. Yes, we got a very good root ball. Now you can see that we got a very good root structure. The leaves turned a little bit shiny, okay, due to some waxy substance that lies on the leaves. Now you can see that our root structure is very good. A lot of fibrous roots are there. So obviously we got success in growing both of these cuttings. Now we will see the second one, which has grown some shoots as well, some leaves, new leaves as well. Now we will okay, now you can see that a root ball is very good. There are hundreds of small fibrous roots. You can see it out. Although it is a slow grower, yet still it's good that it has grown some roots and also shown some process on the shooting side. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the pond lily begonia or beefsteak begonia from stem cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.